ba kabukalan?
I see how the Lord will arrange my schedule and circumstances to ensure there will be
into something if you respond. You see, the quality of your life is not determined by what happens in good or bad. The quality of your life is determined by how you respond to what happens. And one of my favorite heroes is this girl who was a champion in surfing. A shark got her arm. She lost her arm. Brittany Hamilton is the Hawaii surfing champion years ago when she was a teenager. But you know, instead of feeling sorry for herself, instead of blaming God, why did you allow a shark to attack me? Why? You know what? What's her attitude? Lord, I'm gonna use this tragedy to glorify your name. She's using her platform to glorify God. You see, you can do whatever you have to serve God. Problems or success. Look at how she's glorified God. Let's read this together and you'll be contributing. Two kinds of people. Apostle,
Sabi po dito, therefore I urge you, brethren, by the mercies of God. By the mercies of God. Ano yung ibig sabihin ng mercies of God? Ang ibig sabihin nun ay, dahil sa kabutihan, dahil kinalugdan tayo ng Panginoon, dahil mabuti ang kanyang pagtingin sa atin at mabuti ang kanyang hangarin para sa atin. And what that means is grace. At yun po ang unang punto natin, ang gratitude to God. Hindi lamang po kayo nakatanggap, pero dapat kayo po ay magre-reply din kay God. Kaya nga kapag tinignan nyo yung susunod nating verse, at gawin muna natin ano yung gratitude. Sabi dito, the attitude of appreciation and thankfulness for the good and the benefits we have. Ibigay mo, pagtutuloy mo kasi nagpapasalamat ka sa Kanya. And gratitude leads to action. Kaya nga po sinabi sa Romans 12 verse 1, no? Pagkatapos nating basahin ito, present your bodies. Ano yung ginagawa itong mga bagay na ito? So, do not be conformed to this world. Bakit po? Kasi sabi po ni John, sa 1 John chapter 2, 15 to 16, do not love the world nor the things of the world. If anyone loves the world, the love of the Father is not in him. Ano ba yung ayaw niya sa world? The last, gratitude to God at gift of God. Ano yung gift of God? Tingnan po ninyo, Romans chapter 12 verse 3. For through